Hello everyone, this is me Ritesh and my partner Ashish. We are presenting on our application Marketplace. Marketplace is an online platform for buying and selling product. The product can be anything from car, electronics, household, real estate to stationery. We have 13 different types of product categories in our app currently. So it's basically like a Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. So let's move on to relational schema. So this is our relational schema of our application. We have four main entities. Those are categories, product, users, and notification, and these are the data structure for those entities. So let's move on to our Firebase database. So this is our authentication, and these are the currently registered users. We have four different collection categories: notification, products, and users in our database. And we have a storage section where we upload every image. And under the profile pic section, under the user ID, we register new user here. So let's move on to our application. This is our app icon. So let's open the app. Sign in can be done in two ways. Firstly through Google sign in, another one is through email. Let's do the Google sign in first. So this is the Google sign in. Let's do the sign up from the other screen. So we're implementing email validation here, and also if the password and the re-enter password are not same, the button is disabled and red color is shown here. Now we register. When a new user is registered, we will be directed to a create your profile page where you can add the new user information. So the new profile is created. When you create a new profile, you can also edit the profile. So let's go and edit the profile now. So the profile is edited now. When the profile is edited, we are also implementing the push pop-up notification here. So let's go to our app. So yeah, so this is complete. Now from the user profile, we can also move to the different areas of our application from the notification here. So yeah, and when you create a notification, we also get a private notification of your account was updated.
So now let's talk about how our app work for the product listing. Under the home tab, we can see all the product are listed. User can search for the product by simply typing their product name, or they can search it through the category like this. User can also view the detailed view of the product by simply clicking on that product. They can also mark that product as the favorite and later go on the favorite tab and view which are the product they mark as the favorite. Similarly, they can also unmark it as a favorite. Now let's move on adding the product. Here we have implemented the multi-image picker. So when you add the product, it will be shown in the home tab for all other user, whereas for the user it will be shown in the selling tab. User can only edit the product that they have added. So you can edit the product like this. You can see here too the product has been updated, or you also have an option to delete the product. When the product is deleted, it's gone from the other home view also. Similarly, you can also sold the product. When the product is sold, it moves from the selling tab to the sold tab like this, and the brought tab is used to see the product that you have brought. Here is the notification tab that shows all the activities that you perform on this. Here you can see I have removed the favorite, but here there is no the favorite notification as it is a private, and all the other thing that I did was a public, so it shows in the both the notification tab.
So you can also delete the notification like this. So this is the same method we implemented as the pizzeria app, or you can do it from here. You can also do it from here. So it's the same notification system we implemented in the as our pizzeria app. And also we missed one feature. When the user forgets the password, they have also have option to reset the password. For example, let's say I forgot my password, so I needed to reset my password. So this also has a email validation here. So once a valid email is entered, we have then and only then we have so that the check mark here. So when I click the forget password, the email reset link is sent to my email. So let's go to my email. So yeah, there's a new link for my email password reset here. So I'll just type a new password. So now I have successfully reset my password. So let's go back to our application and sign in there. As you can see, we successfully reset our password. So this is everything our app covers. And now let's move on to the
testing part. I can show you that. So this is all the unit testing that we have done. So you can see it built successfully. Lastly, we could like to thank our Professor Charles for such a wonderful course on iOS app development.
and
Thank you. That's all for our app demo.